Almost half of women who sought support from gardaí in relation to domestic violence or abuse last year found their response unhelpful, a new report from Women's Aid has shown. The organization has said there is a knowledge gap among new recruits and members in local stations that has left Women's Aid concerned about the inconsistency among gardaí when responding to domestic violence. The Women's Aid Annual Impact Report, which will be launched today, shows the organization was contacted 32,144 times last year, a 12% increase on the year previous and the highest in its 50-year history. Frontline teams heard almost 47,000 disclosures of incidents of domestic violence and abuse last year, including 41,432 disclosures against women and 5,333 disclosures of abuse against children. There were increased reports against all forms of abuse against women, including a 22% increase in physical abuse, 30% increase in sexual abuse, 15% increase in emotional abuse, and a 5% increase in economic abuse. The organization said it is concerned about the inconsistent response across the gardaí, who also saw a record number of more than 65,000 domestic violence and abuse contacts last year. A Garda spokesperson told the Irish Independent that An Garda Síochána will examine the report in detail, with a particular focus on the feedback contributed by victims and those directly affected by domestic abuse, coercive control, and/or gender-based violence. You can follow this story in the Irish Independent.